Imagine losing the ability to control your own body's movement, experiencing uncontrolled tremors at times, and being paralyzed at others. This is a reality for 8.5 million people, and this number is expected to keep increasing since Parkinson's is the fastest growing neurological condition in the world. And this is quite alarming because there's currently no cure or treatment that can improve the outcome of this very debilitating disease. What happens in Parkinson's is that the neurons that produce and regulate dopamine in the brain start to die. Now, I'm sure you've heard how important is dopamine for experiencing well-being and for mental health, but this neurochemical is also very important for the control of movement. So when these neurons start to die, it translates in the loss of motor control. Current medication focus on alleviating these motor symptoms, but fail to address the neuronal cell death that drives the disease. So the neurons continue to die as time goes by, but at some point the medication stops being effective, leaving no room for hope in having a normal life. Now, researchers have found a strong association between the death of these neurons and a specific protein buildup inside the cells, which causes oxidative stress and cell death. CBD is a compound found in the cannabis plant, which has shown to have antioxidant and neuroprotective properties, and has even shown to be able to reduce this protein aggregation associated with Parkinson's in animal studies. And this is very exciting because the potential of a compound to be able to protect these neurons from further degradation could be a game changer for Parkinson's prognosis. Now, my thesis has 3 steps. First, I will grow the dopamine-producing neurons in vitro, so the same cells that are affected by Parkinson's, and they're human in origin so that we can confirm what has been shown in animal studies. Second, I will expose the neurons to a toxin called MPP+, which causes the same protein to build up and trigger oxidative stress and cell death as seen in Parkinson's. And lastly, I will expose the neurons again to the toxin, but now alongside CBD. So the idea is to measure and compare the levels of oxidative stress and cell death in these 3 scenarios. And this will allow me to determine if CBD shows antioxidant and neuroprotective properties in the context of Parkinson's disease. Being able to protect these neurons from further degradation and halting Parkinson's progression would be a significant advancement towards improving the outcome and the quality of life for people affected by this disease.